Here is a close look at this adorable Zen garden. It is so pretty, so chic. Absolutely love this thing. I got this for my husband for Christmas and he loves it. It is so relaxing and has such a nice style. I chose this one specifically because I love how it is elevated here. We've got this really sturdy metal frame. The sand doesn't leak out at all or anything. And I love how it's elevated too. We've got these legs here. Works very well, very sturdy, and gives it a nice chic gender neutral look. And then we've got a bunch of these fun little elements. Got these cute little koi fish, a bunch of these pebbles, little bridge here, little pagoda in the back. We've got little bird here. We've got this nice big tree, and there are these two birds here. They've got little hooks like this. It's really, really nice. It also comes with a large Buddha. My husband just doesn't have it here right now. And you will get this fancy little fork, rake. I think it's I don't know a ton about Zen gardens, but I think this is a little Zen garden rake for creating these fun little patterns in the sand, like so. You easily just take it down here, and then you move the sand around to create your own designs and do whatever you want with it. Very relaxing, and if you are looking for a little Japanese Zen garden for whoever, whether it's for yourself or for a loved one, trust me, this is an excellent, excellent choice.